In our last update video, a look ahead to 2022, we talked about the work that was planned to begin during the first part of the new year. Work on the South Pavilion is now well underway, and the whole structure is surrounded with protective scaffolding and a temporary roof, almost identical to that which we had around the North Pavilion when similar repairs were undertaken there in 2021. The South Pavilion has suffered significant areas of decay to the stonework, and this is currently being repaired. We keep as much of the original fabric of the building as it's possible to save, and use indents of stone, as you can see here, to effect the necessary repairs. This new stone looks very stark in contrast to the original blockwork, and the same was true when we repaired the staircase on the west front of the building in 2019. But 3 years later, the new stone has weathered down beautifully, and the same will be true of the repairs we're undertaking to the South Pavilion. The cornicing has all been removed and is in need of significant levels of restoration. We also need to replace large sections of failed lead flashings and carry out repointing to the retained original stonework. In addition, we're cleaning sections of the original interior brickwork so that this can be replaced using new lime mortars. We've removed the balusters as many of them also need to be repaired. You can see here the iron pins that we used to secure them in place. The missing urn, one of 4 which decorate the corners of the pavilion, will also be returned. The roof slates will all be removed shortly, and significant timber restoration will take place once the roof timbers have been fully exposed. The North Pavilion was subject to similar repairs. We've also removed the 2 large clock faces. Unlike their counterparts on the North Pavilion, the South Pavilion clock faces were designed to indicate wind direction, not tell the time. These will be replaced as work progresses. Additional funding secured through Historic England has meant that we have been able to extend the scope of works on the South Pavilion to include repair work to the ornate bridge which connects it to the West Front Gardens. We'll cover this work in future videos. The additional funding has also meant that we can repair the roof coverings of Clifford's lodgings. We've recently completed repair and repointing work on the chimneys there, and the roof coverings are scheduled to be replaced in March. This will allow us to complete repair work to the damaged decorative plasterwork ceilings below. The current works are due to continue until the end of June 2022, and we'll bring you further updates to showcase how the work is progressing and introduce you to some of the men and women involved in this exciting restoration programme.